A couple of years ago, we noticed that these decks had a lot of deterioration on beams. And when we took one apart, to our shock and amazement, we discovered that was supporting that end of the deck inside that storage closet with just a couple of stud grade 2x4s that had been getting wet over the years. And you couldn't always tell externally how bad the problem was. So we think we've gotten the most rotted ones done, but out of an abundance of caution, we call it posting them up. We stuck a 4x4 under there, painted it to match the building, and it lets us sleep at night.
Yep, that's called temporary shoring. It's where your beam will come into the wall and sit in a beam pocket. And that's a pretty common area for deterioration to happen. And so you're putting the building on crutches, adding a couple of things. Yep, and it's helping you hold things up. But it should be investigated and figured out. Pull off some siding and see how bad it is.
We're doing 3 complete storage closet and deck rebuilds. Pull them apart, see how they are, fix whatever we have to every year until we're done. And we've got the ones that looked scary done.
Okay.
So
you prioritize things.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.